Okay.
All right, the rain's been going off and on all day today. It's kind of slowing down a little bit, so we decided to come out here to the city and maybe do a little bit of grocery shopping at CSI. And we'll catch up with you in a minute once we get there. All right. Okay, here we are at CSI in Alaminos City. We're going to do some grocery shopping and whatever else we can find in this place to bring home. So, all right, catch you inside. Okay, here we go. Time to do some shopping. Oh, we should have brought our bill with us. Anyways. Shakey's Pizza.
Maybe you can take one basket.
Okay. Okay. You need apples? Okay. Yes. Where's our list? Sweet peas. Those are what?
65.
65 peso? We probably need a bunch of stuff in here. Yeah, carrots would be nice. Lettuce would be nice.
We have lettuce already.
Green peppers would be nice. Tomatoes, for sure. What is this? always have to get me the Smuckers. Red raspberry jam.
I have my raspberry. You
Yeah.
want cauliflower?
You can get some. Definitely some beans.
Beans also.
Just, yeah, we need vegetables bad. So,
Thanks for PM. Pilusa, Saiso, Pronto, and Releaseful,
I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the inside of a grocery store in the Philippines looks like. This is kind of like the imported goods shelf. You can see like A1 sauce. This is considered imported. So it's going to cost you a little bit more. Which kind of sucks, but that's just the way it is. Oh, we need olive oil. So we'll get some of that. Where's the stuff I usually get? Okay, it takes me 15 damn minutes to pick out a bottle of olive oil.
What?
Said it takes me 15 minutes to pick out a damn bottle of olive oil. So here we have it.
Okay, you buy this.
That's why I don't like coming to the grocery store. I'll go grab the coffee. Huh?
Dishwasher liquid also.
I don't know which one. You'll find that. Alright, let's go look for coffee. Well, at least what they call coffee here. The Kopiko. Need more than that. Kopiko. Gotta have the Kopiko. These run about 10.25 per packet. So about 10 pesos per coffee packet. It's not too bad, I guess. Bacon.
Okay.
Pig head. Look at the pig head. Hog head. Mmm, tasty. Dried fish.
kilo only.
Grab some of these Gatorades.
Careful with my vegetables. Especially my zucchini.
Especially zucchini.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. We have some drinks. We need to get some mango juice. That'd be nice. Handset. We'll go down these aisles. All right, chips and cookies. Maybe a couple small things.
Pakitaan kayo t-shirt na. Sometimes I think it would be better for me to just stand here and wait for her to find me. You want this pancit or you want the thin thick one?
Nah, that was fine.
You want this
Okay.
one?
Yeah. I think that's it.
Toilet paper.
What else do we need?
Toilet paper.
Let's get it and go.
But I want to check the powder for my...
Okay, it's about 4:45 p.m. and CSI is getting ready to close. We were able to get pretty much everything we needed, but I should have known better and to come here earlier in the day. There's a lot of the stuff was picked over, especially bread and some of the produce. So we usually get here earlier in the day, but today we were kind of dragging ass, so we didn't get out here till later. But anyways, that's no big deal. We'll get what we need one way or another. You got to be really flexible when you're over here in the Philippines. It's not all the time you get everything you need or want when you want it and when you need it. So anyways, we'll go ahead and wrap this one up, and I'm just waiting.